Hello, everyone. This is J.Rabbit back with another quick tip for you for Versaworks for your Roland BN2-20s. So, if you're coming down to the end of your rolls and you're not sure if you have enough material for your jobs, let me show you a way in which you can check to see if you have enough material for your job. So, in here in Versaworks, I just have about 200 stickers. I nested two files together, so I'm just going to click on the nest job. You can see here I have about 1600 millimeters of material. This one's going to be really useful if you have a lot of things to print out that are going to be long, like 10, 12, 15 feet long or more. And so that way you can know beforehand if you're going to have enough material. That way you don't get to the end of a job and you can't print the end or you can't print that last panel. So let me show you how you're going to do it. Under cut controls, this option here, execute pre-feed operation. I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to click OK. Then I'm just going to go down to print and you can see what will happen when I go to print. So what the machine's doing now is it's going to outfeed the amount of material that you'll be needing for that specific job. And then once it's done, it's going to roll itself back up. One thing I do want to add is that once this process is over, the machine will start printing or cutting. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Thanks for watching.